Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're one of the few newcomers. Today I'm gonna do a video of the different methods of how you can put your eyeliner and how to achieve this super nice wing. So many friends of mine have asked me, how do you do your wing eyeliner and how is it so sharp, how is it so smooth, and all of those. Even after so many years of putting on my eyeliner, I swear both of them, they aren't the same. So don't worry if yours isn't perfect, but practice, do it all the time, it's gonna come by fast. So in this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you out different methods of how you can do your eyeliner. So basically from everything that I got or some items that I've bought, and I don't know how it's gonna turn out because my method, what I use is a gel liner. So just so you know, in eyeliners you have two different finish. So three maybe. So you have a shiny finish, you have a matte, and then you have a semi-matte. With the finish also, apart from the shiny and everything, you have the waterproof or not waterproof. That's also one thing to see. My choice are matte finish, waterproof, because I don't want it to get out throughout the day. Sometimes what happens is some eyeliners throughout the day, they get a little bit smudged, and I don't want this. So that's why I always go for the waterproof ones. And voila, I guess I went around the introduction of an eyeliner. So the eyeliners that I'm gonna show you in this video are mostly the liquid liner, the pen liner, and the gel liner. And to start with the first one, we're gonna use this special applicator. So I didn't use that before. I don't use this to do my eyeliner, but I've heard that it is super practical for people who just started wearing eyeliner, because it starts like, as you see, there are numbers on this. So you have like number 3, number 2, and you have 10 ways of how you can use this cat to create your eyeliner. Behind also, there are the different ways how you can use the numbers to do it. And yeah, so we'll just start doing that. Basically what they're saying is that you should use the number 6 to try and get your eyes here, and which is already super challenging for me because that doesn't give me a thin line. That is not easy at all for me. That is so not easy at all. I don't know how you do that, but this because your eyes are so smooth and then you just move with it. And this is complete. So yeah, anyway. Oh god. I mean, just look at this. Duh. What did I just do? That's not even a nice eyeliner. That is so stupid. So, feedback about this stupid thing. I don't know about you guys. I thought that was gonna be easy to use and to line it. I mean, this gave me that. This thing doesn't help. Your eyelid is smooth, it moves, and this is so flaccid. So when you put it on here, it just moves on with your skin, and you cannot even draw eyeliner. I mean, I got so frustrated with this. Okay, this is a complete fail. Do not buy this or do not try your eyeliner with this. Let's try method 2. So method 2 is also a little applicator, something that I'm gonna hide it and then talk to you. So it's a stamp. and it basically is already done. So what you should do is you should put your eyeliner on it and then just stamp it. So basically it just does the wing for you. Also, I never tried it before, so I have no idea what it's gonna give, but we can still try it. For this one, I don't know if a pen is gonna work because the pen dries up so fast. So maybe I would use a liquid liner. So I'm gonna take a liquid one, put it on there. Me. Great. So what happened is my liquid liner just dried up on it, and this is what it left. A stupid thing. It doesn't even work. Do you want me to try with a pen one? I'm gonna try with a pen one. I'm just gonna show you that this thing doesn't work, and I don't know why this applicators exist anyway. So this is this is complete. I hate it. I think what is complicated with this one is you need to be fast. So your eyeliner just dries up on it, and the next thing you know is you need to be super fast, and then you need to get to the right spot so that your liner is in line with your eyes, and then you can just stamp it. But as you see, even then I'm still lower, so I don't want my eyeliner to be completely below this line. I want it to be here. Okay, I don't have the most easiest eyes either to do an eyeliner, but that is not practical. And second method, now. Okay, so the third method is actually using the idea of the stamp, but in one pen. I'm sure you must have seen this too. It's actually this pen that has on one side the seal eyeliner and on the other side the eyeliner. So basically the tube that is in it is linked to both sides. So logically this should give us, let's see. For starters, let's just see how it goes. That looks okay. So the challenge again, like for the stamp, I needed to be on the right line of my eye because I see it's a bit below. So I mean, okay, if you got it wrong, you could try to use some black crayon and just line your under eyes. And I did it too upwards, so it doesn't look so natural, but it gives a nice wing. So basically, if you just use the seal, you get to the right line and you put it a little bit downwards, that should be okay. Now we go to method 4. For the fourth one, I would go for a question that people ask me, which is using black crayon as eyeliner. I would just say, if you want a super defined line and a winged eyeliner, I wouldn't advise you to go for a black crayon. Black crayon is used on your top of your eyelash if you want to smudge it out and create a smoky look. That is the only purpose of the black crayon for an eyeliner. You have two types of them. You have one that should be sharpened, and you have the retractable ones. And as you see, both of them have rounded heads. When you receive them, they're pointy. Yes. So first you tell yourself, I'm gonna do my eyeliner with this. Fine, it's gonna work out. But then what happened? Are you always gonna sharpen it out for you to do a super thin eyeliner? You can still get a line, but is it really smooth? Is it really defined? And how do I do my wing? With this, I went super light, but I mean, that could be fine. But if you don't have the hand to do an eyeliner, I could do mine after so many years of practice, so I can just go by hand and do mine. I mean, this looks reasonable, but I'm not happy with it because the line here is not defined. It's not straight. And here I cannot go sharper because it's round. It's big. It's just gonna add more to it. So, okay, it could be, damn, I really don't know how to do my eyeliner. I don't have any way of doing it, but I can still get out with it. Not like a pen, but with a smooth applicator at the end. So method 5. Here, I'm taking this one, and as you see, so here, this is a super thin brush eyeliner. On my scale, I would say it is challenging to use it because when you're applying your liner, your brush can just go tick on the other side. So you have to be super careful to get it right the first time. So let's see. As you see, the issue also with liquid liner is it freaking gets on your lashes and then goes everywhere, and it's super not practical. It even goes there, and on my personal level, this isn't my favorite. Also, avoid to stretch it. You put on your eyeliner and then it retracts, you will get lines. So just try to be as neutral as you can to avoid it. With a liquid liner, this is what you get. If you know how to control your brush properly, you will get a thin and smooth line, and also a very sharp wing liner. And now, method 6. For the method 6, we're gonna use a gel liner. So gel liner will always come in a pot. Here I'm gonna use a black one by Saleha. And so you would see that it is, I used some already in it. So it's a gel. It's not solid, it's not liquid, it's in the middle of both. It's a gel. And what I use to apply a gel liner is a brush, of course. Now, what kind of brush? Sometimes you get brushes that come with those gel liners that are like this. So they're basically super short bristles, a little bit angled. I wouldn't advise you to use this. It doesn't give a nice line. What I would advise you to use is a brush liner. So this one is from Real Techniques. It's a super thin one, and as soon as it gets product on it, it becomes thinner. Also, what you can use, is also liner brush, but this one is angled here. Specifically, this one is by Smashbox, and this one is specifically done if you want to get your angle right. So basically, as you see, the angle is already done and you can just swipe it up. So what I'm gonna use is the angular one, so you can see how it is. And how do you do your wings? That is a very important thing also, is you should follow your lower lash line. So basically what I do is I follow this line and I just swipe it up. And then to finish the line, you just follow it. So basically it will just give me something like that. And then you will just go. Oh, and I forgot. What you can also do is add tape. So you can just put tape here and then you get this sharp line here. That will just ease everything out. As you see now, to get this perfect wing, the thing that you would need to do is practice. There is no easy way out that you just get it right the first time. I swear, even for me, for all the years that I've been doing my wing eyeliner, I don't get both the same, the perf. They're not the same. This one is a little bit more upward and this one is a little bit more straight. So it doesn't depend with the applicator. What eyeliner you chose is you'll never get both of them the same. And what you need to know also is your eyes aren't the same. So one might be a little bigger than the other one might be a little bit more slanted downwards compared to the other one, and eyeliner can help you make them look almost equal. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.